Hi guys, so we're about to try some balut with John Tay because it's his first time in the Philippines, so it's a must. It's a must to try it. A Filipino delicacy food.
Just one, right?
Just one.
Looks like we have made the stop for the balut.
There's a 25 pesos for one balut.
So you'll just crack that bit. Small one. Small, just a little hole so that you can
Oh, okay.
sink the soup inside of it. Save all of it. How is it?
It's not bad.
Not bad, right? You fill it off.
All the shells?
Yeah.
Where are the shells at? Down here?
Yeah, down there. This one tastes like egg yolk.
Okay.
The
And I
yellow
just eat
part.
this right here, right?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
I'll give you some moral support here.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
2, 3.
Chew it. That's good. And this one, this is the best part.
The yolk?
Yeah. And the white part is like a chewy thing.
This is
Hard.
just the yolk.
Yeah. And there's a what's it called?
Yeah. My review on the balut, not as bad as you would think it is. I definitely didn't try to taste too much of it. I just threw it back, chewed it. It was grainy a little bit, a little mushy, but it wasn't bad. Would I do it again? No.